dear viewers, welcome back to Spoonful Easy Cooking. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone who is viewing Spoonful Easy Cooking. I'm so overwhelmed and I'm getting a lot of feedbacks personally. So I have crossed 500 more subscribers and I'm really happy about it. It's so encouraging from each and everyone to do more recipes. So today I'm going to show you a very simple and it's for a change for kids and for everyone kind of bread and bullseye. Let me show you very soon how to prepare this in a different style. Come on. So I have kept one pan here for keeping it hot. Here we add little butter. Here we go. Yes. And now we keep a bread on it. Here the twist over here is I'm taking a glass tumbler and of the base should be plain. What I'm going to do is keep the flame on low and just give a gentle press to it. See, we make a groove out of it. Now what I'm going to do is break an egg. Here we go. Yes.
Wow, Mama, looks so beautiful.
Yes. Now we add our spices. Whatever spice you prefer. Here the pepper powder. Little salt to it. And some mixed spices. Seasoning, not spices. Oregano, little thyme and rosemary and chili flakes. Let's allow this to cook. Wow, doesn't this look nice? Now, to add on something nice, what we'll do, little butter, we are going to just put on the sides. This will give a nice roasty flavor. This is bullseye. I hope your kids like bullseye.
Mama, I can't wait to have it. It looks so beautiful.
Yeah. What we will do, we will just keep this lid for 2 minutes so that our bullseye is ready. It needs to cook as well, otherwise it will be little raw. So these days you have to be more careful to cook the egg well. So let's keep it for 2 minutes and let it cook with the steam. Yes, it's 2 minutes and let's just serve it. It's ready to serve. Here we go, our egg bullseye is ready and let's sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on it. It is gonna melt and the kids are gonna have a gala time. So do try it and do let me know how you find it. If children doesn't like the liquid thing, you can just reverse it and give it to them. So do try this. A twist to the bullseye and bread, and do let me know how you like it. Till then, bye bye from Preeti.